everyone. I think it's important that we look ahead to Project 3 so you have a better understanding of why we are currently examining the various methods of educational research. In Project 3, you have 4 various options. Option 1 allows you to complete a scaled-back literature review draft in which you will develop an outline for a literature review. You'll create your literature review matrix in which you'll organize the articles that you are collecting that inform a particular question that you have that you want to examine. And it'll allow you to draft a literature review and get some feedback on that. Option 2 is a practitioner writing in your field draft for those of you who would like to perhaps publish an article for a non-academic practitioner publication for educators. Option 3 is your professional project or thesis proposal draft in which you'll develop an outline for the proposal and develop a proposal draft following the Graduate Office and MS-Ed program guidelines for professional projects or thesis proposals. Option 4 is a draft of a grant request for proposals, and that allows you to outline that and develop the draft and receive some feedback on that. Most everyone will be looking at options 1 and 3 for this particular course. Okay? So during the course, during this part of the course, I'm asking you to look at quantitative, qualitative, mixed methods, and teacher action research studies, asking you to think critically about them, develop a deeper understanding of the various differences in the research designs and the purpose for the researcher choosing that particular design. And I'm also expecting you to start to formulate a question and an area of interest in which you would like to explore in more depth and start to accumulate some articles and research. Okay? So if you would just take a look at those options and let me know if you have any questions about what you're expected to do. But again, you're mostly looking at option 1, scaled back literature review draft, or option 2, professional project or thesis proposal draft.